Why did they have a chicken cross the road? Because it was stupid. Why did they have a chicken cross the road? Because it was excited. Boom, boom. Food and drink, are we stopping? Are you open? Oh yes. I'm stopping. Beautiful. Oh, it's warmer now. So on the way back from the waterfall we were just at, there's a little cafe. There's lots of lovely food by the looks of it, and it's called Pairwa Home, I think it's called. But you can't miss it. It's on the right hand side as you drive down about 2 minutes after. Pairwa Home. I'll show you the food in a minute. Here's a wee outside area. It must be nice at night. These lit up. Look at this view for eating your food. Come sit here if you want. There's some of the menu. They've got more menu, but there's some of it. A couple of chairs, maybe with bamboo. I shall show you around the rest of the place. Coffee open. There's a lady cooking. Hello. And toilet down there, which I need to go. Oh, there's too much info. Here's my bike. That's it. You don't need to see the toilets, do you? So that's it. I'll show you the food in a bit. This mango smoothie is awesome. Mango smoothies are always awesome in Southeast Asia. I think that's just natural. I don't think there's any carnation milk or anything in this one. Why am I whispering? That's why it goes quiet. They need to speak like this, right? Mango smoothie, it's awesome. No whispering. I bet there's a difference between that bit because I don't realise I'm talking so quiet. If you're ever here, try a mango smoothie. Even if you don't like mango, try it. It's amazing. I mean, who doesn't like mango? Let's go film the menu. Well, half a menu. There's more available, but this is the main bit. Got tom kha kai. Not sure what that is. That's number one. Green curry, Penang curry, fried noodles, spring rolls, dollyfish steak, schnitzel, papaya salad and brownie. I don't know that German schnitzel's doing at number 7 in there because the rest are Thai. Or maybe brownies not, but meals anyway. Thai food, fresh coffee, delicious, clean. Oh, that's good. That's good. It's clean. I actually went to the toilet, so they were clean. Park in here. I put my bike over there. Park in here. I don't actually think she means that. I think she means around here. So there's my bike. Do you want to see my bike? Motorbike. There it is. There is the bike. You just leave the key in it. In Thailand, leave the key in it, no one will touch it. It's fine. Not to worry. Let's see if I can see my dinner cooking, my lunch. Oh, look at this. Is that mine?
No, sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour, yes.
Yeah, sweet and sour for you.
That's good. Look at my dinner cooking, my lunch. Yum yum. Oh, that's good. She's testing it, look, she's testing it. Good. Right, we'll have that back at my table in a minute. That looks good. There you go, look at that, look at that. Yeah, I don't know what this is, but you know. Lovely. Let's get this eaten. Right, first of all, gotta take a picture, see. Hey, vlogger's life is never done. Busy man, me, busy man. So in Thailand, you don't get a knife, you get a spoon. A fork and a spoon. I don't know which hand to hold, no. that way, I guess. So let's have a look. See what this is like. I've got my pineapple, I've got my onions, I've got my chicken, I've got my cucumber, I've got my tomato, spring onions, and sometimes you get celery. I don't think there's any celery in this one, but still good, still good. My food reviews, you can tell how good it is by the yums. Lovely. Lovely staff, lovely place, peaceful, lovely food. What more could you ask? I'm moving here, Mum. That wasn't a joke. Bye-bye. So there it is, lovely, lovely lady, lovely food. What more could you ask? Do you get lovely ladies and lovely food in the UK? I don't know.